Okay, so just gonna do a quick video here on this Tales from the Crypt here. Power supply took a huge shit on them, and as you can see, if you can or not, that power pin right, that power connector right there did this. Did this right here. Oh yeah, absolutely cooked. Just absolutely annihilated this here. And you can see whoever was in here before doing the work, when they put the rectifier in, they didn't even bother filling anything. Some of these are bad as well. Actually, a lot of these here are bad, as you can see. Like, they are bad. You can see cracked solder joints. Oops, sorry, where am I here? Yeah, you can see cracked solder joints and stuff like that. So we're going to clean all this up and, wow. Like, who was in here before and did this? But yeah, we're going to get in here and get all this figured out. I'm absolutely going to have to repin that. That's going to have a new pin because that's destroyed. But yeah, we're going to go through and we're going to get this all fixed up. Oh yes. Oh yes. Those are the connectors that I did. That one especially. Excellent.
Hopefully she's bulletproof for another 30 years.
All right. There you go, guys. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.